The Hawaii Department of Law Enforcement, also referred to as the HDLE, is actually a new agency made up of old parts. So in January of 24, we came together with the Sheriff's Division, the State Narcotics Investigations Division, investigators from the Attorney General's Office, as well as the Office of Homeland Security at the state level. And what they did is they brought us all together so that there would be better coordination between law enforcement entities. And it's a little easier for people to understand one agency versus having to go to multiple agencies.
The Hawaii State Department of Law Enforcement came into fruition on January 1st of 2024. We are a state law enforcement agency which primarily is tasked with securing the harbors, the airports, the courthouses, and protection of all state properties.
A day for us could mean being up in our mountains, it could mean being out on our oceans, it could be the city streets, it could be out in rural areas, it could be out in our agriculture and rural lands. So we never know what a routine day for Hawaii law enforcement and Hawaii policing would mean for us.
Being that we are a smaller agency and we're still building out our infrastructure and are developing our personnel, technology is a way we can supplement or help to make up the labor shortage.
Nearly every law enforcement agency all across the United States and even probably in the world is dealing with shortages of manpower, shortages of resources, and we're bringing technology such as license plate readers, drones, a real-time operations center, and even telephone apps as a way to bring our limited resources, our limited staffing, and be able to shorten the gap or lessen the gap between putting real-life officers out on the street and taking that technology and being able to efficiently use those officers to do our police work here.
Ever since the beginning when our department was founded, we were really trying to be technologically forward. So as technology evolves, drones is one of the options presented to the law enforcement. They can be used in many different ways, from scouting to helping officers identify situations, react to situations, and with thermal, we have options like looking for lost individuals, not directly related to law enforcement. They really bridge a technological gap across many different sectors that we can help assist as a department.
The Hawaii Department of Law Enforcement embracing technology will help also bring accountability for not only the community but for police as well, by having multiple streams of data available instantly to inform the community and leaders in the government of what is going on in the state.
Accountability for us is very important because we want to hold our officers accountable. And then with transparency, you build not only community trust, but you also have cooperation, which is fostered by the fact that you are open and transparent to what you're doing in your processes, which we hope fosters that feeling of trust and cooperation within the community we serve.
We have a real-time operations center that's being built out right now. And the purpose of the real-time operations center is to be able to integrate all our different technology systems.
The Real-Time Operations Center was created to be a centralized hub for law enforcement and first responders in the state of Hawaii to leverage technology to provide live intelligence to officers in the field for public and officer safety.
It is a center where, at its very basic core function, would have a radio system that is attached to CADs, a computer system that is attached to records management system, which can provide real-time information to officers in the field, which will foster officer safety as well as quicker, more immediate response, law enforcement response, fire response, EMS response to emergencies in the community.
The Real-Time Operations Center is important for the community as it integrates multiple data streams such as body-worn cameras, drone footage, live camera feeds, automated license plate readers to provide live intelligence to first responders in the field, which can create safety for both the community and officers when responding to situations.
The future of HDLE is bright. I think that we have a lot of community support, we have a lot of legislative support, all the way from the top, from the governor down. And I think that that's really what a law enforcement agency is. It's when we are a part of the community and not something separate from it. And I think that the thing that really makes us unique in this agency and in Hawaii is that the values that are unique to Hawaii, the values of Aloha, the values of Ohana, and other things that make us unique. And we try to show that every day in every interaction.